everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Joy again. So today is another day for face mask, apple face mask. Actually, people have been eating apple, but they don't actually know they can use it on their skin. Apple face mask is really good on your skin, and this apple face mask is gonna brighten up your skin. It's gonna give you a brighter skin, a smooth skin, a soft skin, and it's gonna leave you with a clear, spot-free skin. If you want to know how to make this face mask, please do keep watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Check out other of my videos. They are amazing, interesting video which you will learn from it. If you are new in this channel, you are welcome. God bless you. And okay, let's jump into it. The first ingredient will be apple. Apple provides a high amount of vitamin like vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B, an essential nutrient that is very beneficial for skin. It can help to whiten your skin, brighten your skin, and it will leave your skin healthy. Apple has antioxidant property that is beneficial for skin. The second ingredient will be corn flour. Corn flour has bleaching effect for lightening skin and eliminating dark spots, wrinkles, fine line. Corn flour is good source of several vitamins, including vitamin A, mineral, and antioxidants that play an important role in skin. The vitamin A in corn flour help remove dark spots and sunburn. Honey has antioxidant property and help to block free radical in your body. Honey help to fight bacteria in skin. So all I need, I will be mixing all these ingredients together. So guys, I'll just need half apple, so I'll cut it into sliced pieces. So I'm gonna blend it. I put it inside my blender. I'll add my honey. Gonna have 1.5 spoons of honey. So I'll just blend it together. So I have finished blending my apple. So this is the consistency. So I'm just gonna mix the corn flour. 2 teaspoons of corn flour. I'm gonna mix it together. Mix it very well. So guys, this is the mixture. So I'm gonna apply it now on my face. So if you apply this mask, it's gonna be messy, so you have to be careful. You avoid your eyes. So guys, I have finished applying the mask, so I'll wait for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to wash it off. This face mask will brighten your skin. It will lighten your skin. It will give you a glowing skin. It will remove dark spots on your face. Because of the corn flour, if you have a sunburn, this mask is perfect for you. It's going to get rid of those sunburn and dark spots. So that is the essence of this mask. So it's really helpful if you can try it. So I'm just going to wait for 30 minutes now, then I'll... So guys, that is the end of the first mask. You can use this face mask 2 times or 3 times in a week. This face mask is super. When you keep using it, you will see amazing results. So that is the end of this video. If you know this video was useful to you and helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Check out other of my videos. There's amazing and interesting video on my page. Just check out all of my video and you will learn so many things from it. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Love you. Bye.